Hello everyone, welcome back to codingscientist.com. You are watching one of a kind of series on Raspberry Pi hacking, which is part of multiple series of zero to hero in my channel. Any which ways, guys. So, in the previous lesson, you saw how to activate a relay switch using a PIR motion sensor, right? So, you can think about multiple IoT applications for agriculture or any other industry, kind of thing. Now, in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to hook up a ultrasonic sensor, ultrasonic distance sensor, which basically measures the distance of an object from a given point from your circuit to a certain level of distance. If there is any object in between, it's going to detect the object and it's going to show the distance and the angle, and it's going to activate your switch, that is the electromagnetic switch. Just imagine what are the possibilities, what kind of projects you can build around this. But I'm going to show you a trick. Let's take a look at it. So this is the circuit. All right, go ahead and pick up a simple ultrasonic sensor. Guys, you don't have to actually go for this kind of port embedded within the sensor. You can pick up any ultrasonic sensor with the 4 wires, of course, and those 4 wires you can individually plug it into this as well. So that's the most easiest way you could do using this expansion board. Or if you get this socket ready-made, that's fantastic. It's available in Amazon or any other open source market. So go ahead and plug this ultrasonic sensor into D5 port, and then I'm going to use the D16 port for the relay switch, same like the previous circuit. So go ahead and pick this up. So this ultrasonic sensor is pretty common in many projects, not widely used in robotics projects and also in IoT, and relay is very much used in IoT projects. So you can go ahead and pick up these components. These are very low cost and economical components you can use. So let's go to the VNC. I am remotely connected to my Raspberry Pi desktop. Okay, and then I'm going to open up the Thorny IDE. My Raspberry Pi seems to be a little slow and hung today for some reason. Anyways, now it's open. There you go. So this is my code. So I'm using the same relay library from Grow, and also the ultrasonic range sensor library, which is built in. And I'm defining an object here and bringing the relay object and the ultrasonic object into the loops, where whenever there's a distance less than 20 millisecond the area of the space, that's where the relay goes on and off, and this will be printed on your IDE itself whenever there is a object within that particular distance moving in front of your ultrasonic sensor. So I'm going to run this code and see what happens. Let's see. Cool. All right, there's an object in front of me. Can you see it's printing the on and off with the distance? I'm going to keep it a little far away. Cool. So I just turned the ultrasonic sensor to the opposite direction in front of me so that it doesn't detect any objects. So now can you see relay is off and there is no objects moving in the front. That's why it's showing 43.37 centimeter. However, in our code, it's supposed to be less than 20 centimeters. So I'm going to move the sensor towards me, and the relay is going to be on. There you go. Let me just show you in the circuit. So you can see the relay is on and off and on and off. You can hear the clicking sound. Can you hear that, guys? Now, if I move the sensor towards the opposite direction where there are no objects, it's going to be off. Can you see? The LED of the relay is off now, and there is no clicking sound. Now I'm going to move it in front of me. There you go. You can see the LED is on and you can hear the clicking sound. That means the relay is going on and off and on and off. I'm gonna move the distance again. It's off. And the same thing, you can see the distance here on the VNC. Cool. Let me activate again. And the relay is on and off, on and off, on and off, on and off. Fantastic. So this project seems to be working perfectly. Alright, so guys, this is a pretty interesting project, isn't it? Let me just switch off the program, or else it will just keep on clicking. So you can stop it here. You can use the stop button and your program stops. It's as simple as that. So the code is not going to run anymore once you click this stop button. So guys, you can imagine the possibilities of different kind of projects. All you need is just thoughts, invention, ideas. Come out with your thoughts and start building the projects quickly. I'm there to help you. You can reach out to me one-on-one. I will be glad to assist you. I will see you soon. Goodbye.